Hey guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. So for the video, I will be reviewing this brand that you saw in the title. I used it yesterday because I wanted to give you guys like an actual review. I want to test it out, see what I think about it. This way we can come and talk about it. Before we do, please like, subscribe, and share. Comment down below if you've ever tried this brand. My camera's moving on its own. Oh my gosh. And let's begin the rest of the video. Alright guys, so the brand that I'm talking about is called Boobie. I do have a affiliate code or link for both. Put the code here, link down in the description for you guys to check it out. So the first thing I'm going to talk about is this Relax Mom. Let me tell you something. I tried this yesterday and honestly it worked maybe because it was the first time I did it, and like, so I'm the kind of person, if I try something new or if I take some kind of medicine, the first day like reacts right away, like it works on me. I don't know about the next following days, but we'll see. So this is a conquer daily stress with all natural adaptogens, ashwagandha and L-theanine that promote relaxation, energy, and stamina to support a positive mood. Say goodbye to racing thoughts and hello to calmer days without drowsy drag. Formulated for all stages of motherhood, including pregnancy and lactation. You're supposed to take 2 a day. It really did relax me and like kind of calm me down. Like lately I've been very stressed out. I've been very agitated. I've been very like, I get frustrated easily. Pregnancy, the fact that I'm solo parenting 3 kids while pregnant 5 days a week. So I do get a lot of stress. I have a lot of stress, but I need to learn how to woosah. But this actually helped me out a lot. I have to say, I'm pleasantly surprised about how amazing this worked. It really did calm me down. Like I had like every 20 minutes something's going on, and I took this and the kids were like fighting and whatever, and then the baby was acting up, and I didn't get agitated. Like I didn't like get overwhelmed and stressed out like I usually do. I was very like chill, calm, relaxed, and I was like, oh, I got this. And it helped me a lot because I also have diabetes and hypertension, so I have a lot of stress. I get a lot of tension headaches, and I did have a little bit of tension, but it wasn't painful with this. So I have to say this has helped me out a lot. My husband's like, maybe you should be careful taking that because maybe if it makes you too relaxed. And I'm like, dude, I need to be relaxed. Unless the doctors tell me don't take it, I'll bring it to my next appointment and show them. But I'm gonna keep taking it until I guess I'm told not to. But there's nothing. Maybe I should check out L-theanine. I know that ashwagandha is like a hit or miss to take when you're pregnant, but it's not like a high dose. And this is what the pills look like. They're just like little, what should we call it? Alexa, stop. Right there. Alright, so that's that. So if you're looking for something to de-stress you, help you to like stay calm and relaxed and just like go with the flow and not stress out so much and just like even out your mood, highly recommend this. 10 out of 10 recommend this product. Like I'm gonna be buying this every month. Every single month I'm buying it, or how long it takes. It's 60 pills, yeah, twice a day. There's 30 days in a month. Getting this. So the next product, I did drink some yesterday. It tastes delicious. In this video I will show me making it and drinking it again, but this is the Boobie Superfood for super moms. It is a protein powder. I don't know why I said that like that. It is in the vanilla chai scent flavor, and guys, it tastes so good, so good. So this is a meal replacement shake, which is great for me because I have to have like snacks in between, and I haven't really been hungry this pregnancy to be eating that much. So make you taking this as a meal replacement, it's gonna be great. It has 1 gram of net carbs, 19 grams of plant-based protein, and 0 sugars, which as a diabetic, that is definitely a must. It is vegan, gluten-free, soy-free, and keto-friendly. Here are the ingredients if you want to pause and read. And here's more information about it. I'm going to read this part, but if you want to pause and read, you can. So it is, hey mom, I'm going to read it. Hey mom, Boobie Body makes achieving your goals easier in every stage of motherhood. Made just for you, the real life superhero. Thanks, right? Pregnancy, lactating, raising a family. So the meal replacement and healthy weight management. So especially when you're pregnant, you don't want to gain too much weight because it's going to be so much harder to lose it afterward. I learned that already. This is my 4th pregnancy. I am trying to like gain what I need to gain, but not like excessive. Filling snack in between meals, which is what I was saying. I need to have snacks in between meals, and I really can't. But if I take this, it's like having a snack because it tastes so good, and you just drink it and it fills you up. It's a pre-post workout fuel. Probiotics to help you stay fuller. 11 strains of protein, dairy free, which is yes for me because I am lactose intolerant. I take this with almond milk because I cannot take regular milk, and it's a non-GMO. For any and all moms who may have babies growing, showing, nursing, weaning, teething, or teething. And then it's hashtag love your body, and then you can check them out, superfoods.com, boobiesuperfoods.com. And again, you can use my code to save if you guys want to check it out. But definitely, this is, so far, I've only had it for 1 day, and I was obsessed with this. It was really good. It filled me up. It gave me energy, made me like, I drank it and then had to take out like the garbage and the recycling. And I usually have my kids and I'm always tired, but I was just like pumping it out. Like it was like both of these together like helped me out so much. So definitely recommend you getting this. Tastes delicious. I need to shake it properly. I need to shake it some more. I knew it tasted so much like milk. And then vigorously shake. Let me see. Yes, better. I knew it. I was like, it tastes way too milky. I did something wrong. 10 out of 10 recommend vanilla chai, especially if you like vanilla chai. But if you don't, again, they have other flavors that I'll put here in the video. Definitely check them out. All right, guys, so that was my video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you've ever tried Boobie Superfoods, let me know down in the comments. If you are interested in getting it, I will link it down below, and of course you can use my code to save. I honestly will be ordering this from now on, especially during pregnancy, definitely postpartum. I'm gonna need help postpartum. And they also have lactation products. Like I do have Mommy's Bliss lactation tablets, but I'm also going to try to get their lactation stuff because if this is this good while I'm pregnant, I could only imagine the lactation because I need to produce milk. It's getting crazy here in the US. Like they already fired people who are in charge of making sure formulas are safe, so I can't risk using formula on my kids. So I'm going to try my best to pump, or hopefully he latches on, like fingers crossed he latches on, knock on wood, you know, hopefully he does. But yeah, so if you are interested in trying this, let me know down in the comments, or if you've tried it already, let me know down in the comments. And if you've had this, which one is your favorite flavor? Because the vanilla chai, honestly, chef's kiss. They have like, I think 3 or 4 different ones. You know what, I'll put it here. Actually, I'm probably gonna put it when I'm talking about this. I'll probably show what the other flavors that they have in the video. Probably already did it. This is me before I edit. When I'm editing, I always add stuff afterward. I'm like, I never mentioned that, but whatever, doesn't matter. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching my video. Please have a nice day, afternoon, or evening, whichever time you're watching. Like always, please stay safe out there. Bye now.